100 and what? 160 packs to end the stream. No idea who they are. We're going to go in there, spam T-Bell raid, and spam T-Bell raid. We're going to try to drop at least, with the amount of people in here, I think we could get half the people to go in there. Gold Moltres, sick hit, baby. Yo, let's go. The Sylveon VMAX Trainer Gallery Alti. Let's go. Appreciate the roses, guys. Houndoom illustration. Urshifu VMAX. Good luck, good luck. Starting off with my favorite card in the set and a $50 card. Glaceon V-Star SIR. Nice. Cricketune illustration. We're going to start a second channel on there. Oh! Give me one, Elizabeth. No, I'm kidding. Swablu illustration. Cricketune illustration. How many people just had to turn me down? Samurott V-Star Alti with the Kyogre V. Darkrai V-Star Alti. Nice. 2, 1. Simisear V-Star Alti. Damn. Toxtricity illustration. Elizabeth, or would you rather have a Dialga V-Star Gold? Can you grab one of the Dialga V-Star Golds? Wow, this is a $40 card right now. Dialga whenever you get it. Yo, the Melanie with the Friends in a Sui. There's a lot of alt-arts on this rip. Lapras, love that card. Yo, let's go! Holy hell. Here you go. And you're getting the Dialga, and he gets a Glaceon here. Radiant Charizard. Riolu illustration. Guys, we're going to be rating a very small stream after this. They only have like 20 people in their stream because you feel bad for how my shoulders feel after ripping like this for 6 hours straight. Nah, I could never undervalue what you do, Barry. That's honestly incredible, dude. Stunfisk. Barry didn't have an issue with it. Pika Pika. Got a stack for you. What? Stack of what, Steve? Flapple illustration. Skarmory, such a sick artwork. Full arts. I love this card. So sick. Black Kyurem EX full art. Oh, baby. What do we got? Ew. Ooh, Pika Pika. Nice.